Dude, get it into the living room and get on a baseball bat. Dude, Ryan Piscopo is coming into the driveway, I think.
Now it's under my fucking bed, dude.
Nah, Ryan Piscopo didn't come here. Don't do it, Dan.
They just went all those plugs back there.
I see it.
I'll hit this ceiling. I have to lift my bed.
No. Don't do it. Oh, shit.
I want some milk first.
Dude, I'm fucking baseball batting this shit. I'm just gonna. And it's just. Imagine if it just flies out and lands right on you, Dan. I just felt like it was on me for a second. There was like a freaking claw on me.
You better get what's about to happen. I'm gonna lift my bed. It's not gonna come out. It's not smart enough to know how to get out.
Oh shit. Oh shit. There's no way it's getting out of there. There's a freaking screen right there. Yeah, you better make your mom wash all that shit.
It didn't go on my bed.
It doesn't matter.
Probably pissed all over the place without even us realizing it. Dude, you should bury it. Trap it underneath the blanket. Thought I just felt it. Oh god.
Here goes nothing, fuckers. Alright, asshole, come out.
Do it
Yo,
again. Lift it higher.
I'm gonna lift it up all the way to the wall. You have to go in there and hit it with a stick. Dad! Dad!
Dude, it's not coming out.
Oh, fuck.
Do it again. Yo, give me some space here, dude, because I'm gonna plow you through the wall if I see it.
You don't even... Oh god.
Alright, the whole bed's off.
Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Just remote.
Dan, stop, I'm going in.
Oh god.
Alright.
I'm the only one left over here. Oh. What if he's behind the TV?
He's back in there.
Do you see him?
See that little like peak of light coming? From straight over there? Watch, give me the stick.
Okay. Dan, get ready to go.
Hasta la vista, fucker! Let's go! Leave!
Oh god, here he comes. Any second, any second.
Alright. Ball of doom.
I thought he dropped an egg already.
Fuck, I missed.
Oh my god. What happened?
He's on my fucking TV. Oh shit, Danny's right. He's on my side.
Look, close the door to Vincent's room. Close the door to Vincent's room.
Vincent's sweatshirt's under the fucking door.
Dude, he's
Close
on
the door to Vincent's room.
Jimmy, come here and just get it. Just
Get-
look, it's right here. 4 flies away, look.
Give me, Lukey, stop. I'm doing it. I'm fucking getting it.
Oh god.
Jimmy, I had enough. No, I had enough.
Get out! Get out! Get the fuck out!
Is he out?
I know what we have to do. Yo, Luke! Yo, Luke!
Whoa.
Yeah.
You have like a shitty blanket?
We're gonna have to capture him. That's what I was saying before.
Dan, don't take another step.
Where is he?
Dan, come here.
Where is he?
Jimmy, come here.
Where is he?
Come here.
Do you have him?
Yo, come here.
What? Tell me.
Go, keep going.
No, 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 no.
Dan. Dan.
Yeah.
Come here.
Oh God. How do you get upstairs?
No, it's on the closet door behind my door.
Jeez.
Come in, dude. You can come in. Yo, Travis. In a minute, maybe. There's a bird in my house, in my room, and I have to get it out.
Oh, Dan, I see what you're doing. For those you can't see on the
Dude, you're
camera.
being a dick.
Are you pointing at it?
Dan, stop. I gotta get it out.
He's gonna fly around all crazy now because he can't see.